Welcome to our video tutorial on effortlessly importing multiple-choice horizontal quizzes into QSM Quiz and Survey Master using the Quiz Importer plugin. Today, we'll guide you through each step, making the process a breeze. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the QSM Quiz Importer plugin installed. If you haven't already, you can grab this premium plugin from our website. Once installed, head over to the plugin settings page. In the plugin settings, locate the option to download the import template. This template is crucial for organizing your quiz data. Download it and save it to your computer for easy access. Open the downloaded template and start by filling in the quiz title. This will be the title displayed for your imported quiz. Now, let's focus on importing multiple-choice horizontal questions. In the question type column, enter choice_horizontal to specify the question type. Continue by providing the question title, content, and question image URL. Don't forget to specify the existing question category ID in the question category column. Move on to the options columns, where you can input up to 6 possible answer options. Pay attention to the answer type column, use text for text answers, rich for rich text answers, and image for image answers. For ordering, assign order numbers in the order column. Allocate points to each answer option by filling the pipe-separated values in the points column. In the correct answer column, use pipe-separated values to indicate the correct answers. For example, if you want to allocate 6 points to the first option, 2 points to the second option, 4 points to the third option, you would enter 6, 2, 4, 0, 0, 1. The correct answer column might look like 0, 1, 0, 0, or 1 represents the correct answer. Optionally, you can fill in additional details such as correct answer info and question hints to enhance your quiz. Once you've filled in all the necessary details in the template, save it. Then, head back to the plugin settings page and initiate the import process. Your quiz, along with the images, assigned points, and correct answers, will be seamlessly imported into QSM. Congratulations! You've successfully imported a multiple-choice horizontal quiz with all its questions into QSM. Now, let's see how it will look on the front end. Wasn't that easy? Now you can enjoy engaging quizzes on your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.